Okay, so what's up guys, the tutorial is basically on how you guys can actually, design for your COVID, analyze and do all of those things. So let's just see, sorry, see. So I'm gonna be explaining how you guys can actually design your COVID. This is meter and cloning. Next. Yeah, right. Okay, finish. So we have this next interface being launched by Start Pro, Bentley. Close this first, and the first point is gonna be 0, and we're facing it like this. So let's imagine along X we have the length of the culvert to be like 2 meters. So that and from 2 to 2, so we have 4. Let's try and design it like that. Along Y, let's say we have it to be 2 meters also, like this. And for this we have it to be 2 and 2. And yeah, we're gonna be having it as 4, 2, 4 and 2. Okay, so let's say this is basically what we're doing with the culvert, like the dimension. So from here, sorry, add beam, I made a mistake. Join this. Make sure you not join it as one, you join it one after the other. Join this. You can join this. You can join this. And join this too. Not as one, I told you. Told you gonna talk. So you have to do what? Where is the delete? Cut. And click the add beam from here to here, and from this side to this other side. Done with the modeling. Escape. So we'll call. You can come to geometry, general, after create supports. We have 2 supports. Create. We need to create the fix, add, and then we need to create the pinned. Add. So this is the fix, and all of this are gonna be on the ground, so they need to be what? To be fixed, and all of this to be pinned. All of this, so assign to nodes. Okay, so the next thing is to go to the loading, come here and add loading. Add loading, yeah. So this is gonna be the dead load, and this is gonna be dead. Add, close, and we can add our load. Add first. What's wrong? Let's wait. And add. Okay, so all of the nodes we are adding, all of the loads rather, on the member. So let's say we have minus what? Maybe minus 20 maybe. All of this load, we're just like predicting them. We can add. So we've already added that, and let's say for the bottom we have like 30. Okay, add. So we're gonna be doing a lot of things here. Let's use this linear variant. So for W1, let's say we have like 5 minus, and for the W2, let's say we have like minus 40. Add, and let's close. So we're gonna be doing a lot of things here. Select this load, add to selected beam. Okay, save. Then this assign. Yeah, so let's say we have added the load. This, we can also add this. Add. Yeah, down here the 2, click this, assign. So we have like the loads on, the top, bottom. So to this we can add the very load for the wall at the side. Select this side and then click yes. So we need to change some things, so let's edit this, and let's just change it to plus, because that is not the way the load is going to be acting. So let's change. Okay, done. Then we can close, because that's what we need. And then we need to create a new load again for the other one. So add. Let's wait till it opens member load, and then we're using a linear variant load. So let's say we are using 5 and 45. No, 30, 40. We add, close, select this, select the load, and then assign to selected beam, assign. Okay, so we need to change the sign. So that's gonna be minus, and that's gonna be minus. Change, close. Okay, so to design, to show the loads, you can click this. Okay, so our loads are showing, and everything is still normal. So we need to assign property to this, we need to define them. So let's say to the top we have it to be maybe 200, that's 0.2, and this 0.2 also, that's 200. Assign. Yeah, we've added it. And so let's say the next one we have like a 2 to 5 for the wall. So 2 to 5 and 25, 2 to 5. No, 2 to 5, and then this is gonna be 2 to 5. You add, then you close. So this is for the 2 to 5, which means for this, for the walls, this, for the city, then we need to assign. Yeah, so for this 1, 2, 3, 4, so we assign that. Assign. No, made a mistake. This, the top one is for this. Damn. Assign. Okay, so we need to assign the top one. Assign. Okay, done. Now we have our loads, the LED loads, all of them. Exactly. Now the next thing we need to do is to combine our load. Add auto load combination. We can use that. Yeah, it used to be British, still the same thing as the beam design. Generate BS 1.4. Is it because we don't have a dead load? Okay, let's do something crazy here. Close. Dead. Let's create add. load case, and let's add here. So live AD live load, and add live, add close. So for the live we can where is the add? Can add this. You have member load, and then there's minus. This is -5 for this. -5. Add. So you can close. So the live load is gonna be on this top. So show of that. Sorry, let's select this. Assign. Okay, we have that. And the live load are gonna be here to, like, it's gonna be transmitting from the top. So maybe let's just leave it that way. You can just close this, collapse, and we can add auto, maybe British, and generate. So we have this that we're gonna be using. So we have to send this two back, go back, and this is what we need: 1.0 and then 1.6. Then we add, then we close, because this is the only thing we need. Now the next thing is to do what? To go to the analyze / print, add, close, analyze, and that's it. So it's gonna be loading like the result. 001 in 0 nodes. Okay, go to the post. Okay, so this. Okay, then apply the two step thing. So to show the bending, moment, the diagram, the shear force, you have this. And you all know this is the bending. Less of the shear force. To show the value, come to your results and view value. This maximum annotate. Okay. Sorry, we're doing for the bending maximum annotate, then close. So we have the max. So we have nothing here. Okay, and so something else. We're done with this. So the same thing you do for the maximum. Now to the design, the concrete design. So you come to the concrete. Just the same thing we've been doing with the beam and all of those things. View it this way. Select your envelope. Try and create something envelope 1. Anything you want to name it. I can name it anything, but let's just go with env dot. I just like that 1. Click on OK. Then the load, the combination. Then click on OK. So you can set them down, setting them as members. So done with that, then you go to the group / this. Okay, we've not added this in. So the first thing we need to do is to create the brief. New. Okay, this B1. Anything you want to name it, okay. I can use this to be 25. Anyhow you want to do it, 25. This 25. Sorry, 25. Okay, no, we're not done. Edit brief. For the reinforcement, you can use 16 if that is what you want to go with, 16. And then for the angle, 10. That's the links, the stirrups, the links. Anyhow, there's 16. That's 10, 16. 16 and 10. So to the share just 10. Okay, then to new design brief, this okay, and then we can then add to design member. Add then okay, this add and okay, add this, add okay, then this, you add and okay, then to the last one, this add and okay. So we'll go to the concrete member. Done. So we come here, we have all of our M's, and we'll go to design now. So everything is okay, we have it here, and we have it here. That is it. So to generate the drawing, you can just have it to go to the drawing. Since you're still on M1, you're gonna have in the stuff for M1, so you can leave this as the scale just to make it big. Okay, then you save it somewhere you can actually remember, then save. So that's how you export all of your drawing, like your reinforcement drawing. So that's just it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like just give it a thumbs up, and love you. We're gonna be seeing you guys soon with the last tutorial, that was the truss. Okay.